Hello, welcome friends, hearty welcome to you. We are solving examples on slope of a straight line. Find the slope of a line which passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 0, -4 and 8, 0. So we have to find out the slope of a line. One point is it is passing through the origin, and the second point is nothing but the midpoint of these 2 points. Let us say P and I missed Q there. You say P and Q. Okay. Now let's try to draw this and see how this looks like. Now we have our coordinate axis there. This is x-axis positive, y-axis positive, and negative y-axis and negative x-axis. Okay. Now origin 0, 0, it's passing through, so one point we know. What is the other point we have been told? It's passing through 0, -4. Let us say 0, -4 will be somewhere here. So we will say this point is 0, -4, and the other point is 8, 0. So let us say this is 8, 0. If I say this is 8, 0, now the line passes through 0, 0, and the midpoint of these 2 points, these are P and Q. These are P and Q. So PQ is a line segment. We have to find out the midpoint of PQ. So let's find out the midpoint of this. Midpoint formula is, what's the formula for midpoint? We know midpoint formula is x1, y1 I have, x2, y2. Midpoint is nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. So I have to average the coordinates. Now 0 and 8. 0 plus 8 by 2, that is nothing but 4. -4 plus 0, -4 by 2 is -2. So midpoint of PQ, we'll write it down. Midpoint of PQ is equal to 0 plus 8 by 2 -4 plus 0 by 2, that's equal to 4, -2. Now that is one point, and another point is 0, 0. So we have to find the slope of the line with 2 points. Now we know both the points. One point is origin and another point is 4, -2. Now it's very easy. We can easily find out the slope. We can find out the slope by using the formula m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2, let us say this is x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1, that is -2 minus 0, by x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 0. That's nothing but equal to -2 by 4, that is -1 by 2. So that's the slope of the line. So what we have been asked is to find out the slope of a line which is passing through origin. Now where is the line what we are looking at? We are looking at this particular line. That is the line we are talking about. Let us say this is A, this is B. So AB slope, or can I say m of AB? M of AB, or slope of AB, is nothing but equal to that. How we got it? We have been told that this line is passing through origin, and also it is passing through midpoint of 2 given points. We found out the midpoint, then we know 2 points. We can find out the slope, because slope is nothing but delta y by delta x, change in y, vertical distance by change in horizontal distance. That's nothing but equal to -1 by 2. So let's move to the next one. Using the method of slope, show that the points A, B and C are collinear. What's the meaning of collinear? They all are points on the same line. So A 4, 8. let us say this is point A, 4 comma 8, and where is this point? Just put it first point A. We'll say this is point A, then we have point B here, and then we have point C here. So 4 comma 8, 5 comma 12, and 9 comma 28. So that's a straight line what we are talking about, and we have the coordinates. A is 4 comma 8, B is 5 comma 12, C is 9 comma 28. Now how we will prove that A, B, C are collinear is, we will prove that slope of AB is equal to slope of BC equal to slope of CA. If we are able to prove that slope of AB equal to BC equal to CA, then we know that whenever the slopes are equal, they are parallel lines or they are part of the same line. Now since we are going for the full circle AB, BC and again come back to CA, we can see very clearly that they are all part of the same line. So let's find out slope of AB first. Slope of AB is nothing but 12 minus 8. What's the formula for slope? Slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, where x1, y1 is the first point coordinates and x2, y2 is second point. So x2 minus x1, that is 12 minus 8, by y2 minus y1, that is 5 minus 4. Let's go to slope of BC. BC is 28 minus 12 divided by 9 minus 5. Slope of CA is nothing but 8 minus 28 divided by 4 minus 9. So let us simplify all of this. 4 by 1 equal to 16 by 4 equal to minus 20 by minus 5. Now you can see 4 times and minus 5 4 times. So you can see that slope of AB equal to 4, slope of BC equal to 4 and slope of CA equal to 4. Since slope of AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to 4 points A, B and C are collinear. So we can prove by using slope that these points are collinear by taking the line segments and proving that the slope of the line segments are equal. So in the next session we will look into examples, simple examples related to angle between the lines, or maybe we will look into examples related to slope of parallel lines and slope of perpendicular lines, how they are related to each other. So see you in the next session. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.